providing smallholder farmers with nutritious and quality fodder so that they can run successful livestock businesses.
We empower the agronomists or the extension officers who work with farmers so that they can be efficient in the advice they give the farmers to increase their productivity in the farm.
We collect food waste from market centers and decompose it using a natural process to get organic fertilizers. And the inspiration for us to start about this project was the fact that there was a skyrocket in prices of the fertilizer that we used to import into the country.
We are digitizing informal agriculture in Africa, and essentially this means that we are enabling farmers to come together and aggregate their produce to give them the power to supply markets directly. We pay them on our platform, enabling them to do digital transactions on our platform, which then gives them a credit history or a credit score that can enable them to access input financing.
We have developed a mobile application and an ERP solution that digitizes the process of agri-enterprises, precisely cooperatives and private sector players who support smallholder farmers.
Our innovation is trying to increase the durability and storability of potatoes for availability of potatoes throughout the year.
Insect Solutions Kenya is a company that wants to bring the technology of rearing insects intensively to the smallholder farmers.
Farmers today face a lot of issues, from post-harvest losses to lack of inputs to excessive inputs in the farm, leading to uncertainty in crop yields. Limachain is solving this problem by utilizing data collected from the farm to analyze it and form results that the farmer can use to make data-driven decisions to make the farm profitable.
We need to increase our food production. How do we increase our food production? We need to work smart. How do we work smart? We need to have innovators who bring ideas to the table, and with the help of the Ayute challenge, we'll be able to discuss more and actually advance how well we can tackle some of the challenges we face in order to increase our food production.
I saw it as an opportunity to also support myself and bring my innovation to life.
I heard about Ayute from a group. It's a group of entrepreneurs where we share opportunities and ideas. Looking at the requirements, FarmWall was a fit for Ayute because we work with smallholder farmers and farmers in general. And through that, I saw that from Ayute I can learn from the incubation program.
I heard about Ayute through the social media on Twitter, and I thought to apply because I think I have a pretty good solution that can really impact the lives of farmers out there.
A friend of mine sent me the advert on our WhatsApp group, and we are applying it because we are trying to change the formulation of our fungus that we're using currently.
I happened to come across the Ayute challenge on LinkedIn, and I was able to grab the opportunity, and I took part in it.
The first time I heard about the Ayute challenge is in a meeting in Mombasa. Francis from Heifer International presented about what they are doing about the Ayute challenge, and I was interested. The design of the project in itself has been really captivating, both from an entrepreneur perspective and even as a participant in the project.
Looking at the success story of Hello Tractor and how far they've come, just from the partnership with Heifer and what they got from the Ayute challenge, I felt like this is the kind of opportunity that StoreFresh needs to just grow our solution, meet new ideas, and work with people that understand what the smallholder farmer is facing out there.
Post-harvest losses due to poor planning because they were uncertain of their yields.
It was very sad.
The most exciting part for me was getting to pitch in front of my peers and getting actionable feedback.
So that when the judge says, okay.
It was exciting having to interact with different innovators on a personal level and trying to see which strength the weaknesses you didn't see through your lens.
My experience has been amazing, especially this is my first time to be given the opportunity like this one to pitch.
This training has impacted my life, and it is a stepping stone going forward for my business.
The journey through this challenge has been exciting, meeting wonderful youths with great ideas. Not only that, the mentorship part from the coaching team, they have really worked with us and given us positive feedback. where we needed to work on our ideas, they were also ready to come and chip in.
If we win as Soluvax, we will use the seed money to pump into completing the development of our solution.
If we win the cash, that will mean a lot to our business. It means we will be able to put up standard insect and earthworm and snail rearing structures, which can actually help us to increase the production and meet the current demand.
A win for Ento is a win for the farmers.
For any budding entrepreneur, I would say this has been a great journey, and you too can apply and actually get into the boot camp.
I would also like to thank the organizers of this event because they make us feel part of this problem solvers in the societies.
The next time you see a call for applications, apply, because this may just be the chance you need to put out your solution out there and solve the problems that smallholder farmers in Africa are facing.
Ayute African Challenge.